Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to walk you through how to design this beautiful Christmas flyer design in Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video like this. Also like this video, share it with your friend and also with your enemy. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Thank you so much for doing so. I can see you doing it now. And in a few minutes time we will get this design done. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. So let's get in started. We start by giving our project a name, and we are going to name it Christmas flyer design Photoshop. We are using inches this time around. We go by inches, 4 by 5, resolution 300, and background should be, let's make the background transparent. And when you are done with these settings, just click on create. Awesome. So the first thing we are going to do is to go to our solid color, and we are going by this, and this is the color code that you are seeing. So when you are done, click on OK. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do is to go to our gallery, and we are going to import this. We are going to import it and put it here. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to mask it, erase some parts that we don't want. So after clicking on mask and be on our keyboard to erase the part that we don't want. So going to erase this part and the sharp edges. Awesome, nice. So we go to our gallery again, and we are going to import this. We are going to import it and place it here. Okay, so we click OK, and we are going to change the blend mode to screen. Okay, then we are going to mask it. Click on this side to mask, and be on our keyboard. We are going to get rid of these sharp edges. Alright, so when that is done, in order to, I'm going to reduce the opacity because I don't want the attention to be too much on the background. Focus is on the design and not the background. So I leave it as 78 and go back to our gallery again, and we are going to import this. I can just hide this part for you. I leave it. Okay, so let me increase it a bit. Okay, so click OK and change the blend mode to no, not satellite, but screen. This screen or linear dodge. I think I'll go for linear dodge. So this is cool. This is cool. So let's mask this part too. Going to this part. There's this part. Okay. Okay, so let's go to our import gallery again, and let's import this cute lady. So I downloaded this one from freepik.com. freepik.com. No sleep on it. You want beautiful images, you can get it from freepik, and some are free and some are paid, so just check it out, freepik.com. Okay, so what I will do next is to pop up this image. I pop it up. Let me reduce the size a bit before I mask. So I'm going to pop up this image. So go to filter, go to camera raw filter, Ctrl Shift A on our keyboard for the shortcut. So there's no formula for this, but just make sure that you are not doing too much. As the sign is coming to life, let's mask this side and click on mask. Be on our keyboard, you are going to mask the edge. Mask this edge. Okay, so we are on our keyboard. Let me push it up a bit. Alright, so click on this and go to layer adjustment and click on gradient. So we are using this one. Make sure that your foreground color is on the color code that we use for the background. So I think I showed you the color code the other time. So make sure that your foreground color is on the color code for the background, and just come over here and we are going to go to basic and we are selecting this. So that's the only way you can get this particular effect. Then we're going to mask it. We're going to get rid of some part that you don't want the gradient to show. So I don't need it on this side. I don't need it on this side. Okay. Push it up. Okay. Push it up. I think it's okay like this. Alright. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. I'm cool with this. So next thing we are going to do is to work on our text, and let's go to my notepad. I have a text here. So let me work on this. Season greeting first. See on our keyboard. There. Going to paste. Then 28. We are using Montserrat font, extra bold, and the size is 28. So okay, let me copy the two. Line spacing is 24 to ensure balance, and size is 28. The color is white. Seeing this is cool. It's cool. Just bring it here. Make sure that our work is properly centralized. So remain text, and this is the text. So before I paste it, let me just read it out here. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. May your Christmas be filled with love, joy, and unforgettable moments with your loved ones. As we look forward to the new year, I wish you all a prosperous, exciting, and fulfilling 2026. Let's continue to keep creating, engaging, and learning on this channel. Thank you so much, my people. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. and I wish you all the best in the new year, in this coming new year, and happy and Merry Christmas to every one of us. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate. So I'm using this platform to say this opportunity to say thank you so much. All right, so let's continue. We change this to medium. We change this one to medium and we reduce the size to 6, and this one will be on auto. So let me paste the text. So I made a mistake. Control A, delete. Let me click OK. Let me go back to layer. Okay, I'm supposed to draw this. Let me draw this. That. Let me change the 6 and this also to auto and this one to medium. Okay, Control V to paste. Okay, so for the text, I'm going to add a little bit shadow, drop shadow on it. So I'll go to this and go to drop shadow. Yeah, I think this is okay for me. You can follow these settings and click on OK. Fine, awesome. Okay, one more thing before I start adding light to it. So I need to go back to my gallery. I want to insert this logo to here, and I'm going to paste it here. I think this is cool. So I can add, let me add shadow to it. Let me add this shadow. Let me see how it's going to work. I think it's okay and it's cool. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a new layer. Then I'm going to choose this one. This is the color code for the light. So FF000. FF0000. So for the lighting part, so be on our keyboard, I'm going to light this part. 1, 2, 1, 2. Guess this one is too much. So let me give it a bit. Alright. So and I'm going to change the blend mode to linear dodge add. Awesome. I think this is cool. So create a new layer and make sure the foreground color is the one that you use for the background. So I'm going to add the darker part to this side. Okay. Awesome. So let's change it to multiply. I guess it's too much, but I can do that by reducing the opacity. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Awesome. So our design is live and so next thing we are going to do, let's work on the color balance. So go to our fill adjustment layer and go to color balance. So for the semi-tone, I'm going to tune to the red. Wow, can you see the changes? Let me leave it at 28. Tune it to green. think this one is too much, and just leave it as 10, and this one a little bit yellow for the semitone, and for the highlight too a little red. It's too much. So don't do too much. Just I think this one is okay. A little bit of green and a little bit of yellow. Okay. Let me reduce the green. Okay. So I like this, and for the shadow too, I will turn to this side little. Okay. Nice. So as you can see, let's preview it. See the without color balance and with color balance. Awesome. So the next thing we can still do is to merge our design together. Alt Control Shift E on our keyboard, then go to filter, go to camera raw filter to pop up the image, to pop up the design entirely. So basic, this actually left to you anyhow you want it to be. So there's no particular formula that you are following, but if you like, you can follow my settings. Awesome. So let's preview it. This is how it is, and without it. So it's absolutely fine and awesome by me, and I like this design, and I hope you like it as well. So with this, we come to the end of today's tutorial, and I hope you gain value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also comment how you feel about the design. This is very important, because this is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and thank you so much for listening to me. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Thank you, and bye for now. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Bye.